Good day, good people. Welcome to Gufugulu. It's day 5 of my Japan Kyushu trip. We had hotel buffet for breakfast, and I love this kind of bento plates. And someone accidentally took some kids' utensils. And it happened to be minions. And I ate an onsen egg. They also had a nice looking bean curd and green tea. The green tea was called green tea au lait. I think it's French for with milk. And it was so good. I would have taken another serving, but we had to rush off. And we arrived at a sea area. I think this was a beach. We only had like 10 minutes to do some sightseeing here. And it's on the bus again. I saw so many rivers and lakes, as well as agriculture. The best ones are when the water is like green or blue. And more water bodies, and mountains, and hills. These are what I see when I don't sleep on the bus. And this is like a valley, looks nice. And we arrive at our rest stop for toilet breaks. And I see more plantations. We just passed the bridge. And here's what we got from the rest stop. Drinks! And then I see more greeneries. And here's a cool looking bridge. Close up. And we're about to do a little bit of hiking. There were so many steps. And we're heading down now, which is the easy part. More steps. This time is white steps. The air here was so fresh and cooling. And more steps. For the older people, there was a van to teleport them. This place is called the Takashiho Gorge, a V-shaped gorge created by the Gokase River. And we're gonna have lunch. Our lunch was served in bamboo. I thought it was very interesting and traditional. And we were served soba as well. And we are eating in the midst of all the greenery. There was also a whole chicken for us to share. The waitress is helping us to dissect the chicken. There are lots of water and greens here. Tea was also served in bamboo. After lunch, it's more sightseeing and hiking. And we got a scenic spot, 2 bridges. Imagine going rafting in there. It's gonna be a rocky ride. The temperature was great here. It was less than 30 and it felt like aircon. Because the air here is not humid at all. And we found another bridge. This is the 3rd bridge that's famous in this area. The rock formations look really cool. And we're back on feet. These were just a small portion of the steps we climbed. And then it's walking and looking up, looking left, looking right, looking down. And I think this was the best view of the 3 bridges altogether. Nature is so interesting. Look at what erosion did. Then I spotted some white on the trees, which look like snow, but they are not. Don't worry, I'm not looking at my camera while walking. I'm looking at the actual ground. And we continue walking until we see something nice. Some tourists were riding a boat. It feels so tranquil. Look at all the rocks. And the watercolor is so pretty. And we saw more tourist boats. And there was also a waterfall. We got to hit our way back and I'm not looking forward to the steps. Climbing up the stairs was a torture. I'm alive and back on the bus. We continue to Beppu, a hot spring town, with the greatest upwelling of hot springs. And this is Tatsumaki Jigoku, a dragon geyser. It's a fiery geyser that erupts violently every 22 minutes. And the Beppu sightseeing also includes this boiling pond. It's called Shinoike Jigoku Blood Burning Hell. It features a pond of steamy red hot water. And the color is because of the minerals in the water. I think there was iron oxide and magnesium. And we check into a hotel. We bought some peach to try. It was very sweet and juicy. And then it's dinner time. And we went exploring outside the hotel. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye! Click one of the videos for more content.